Hi everyone, today we'll discuss about velocity and acceleration analysis of 4-bar chain mechanism using complex algebra method. In my previous videos I have explained the velocity and acceleration analysis of slider crank mechanism, but this is 4-bar chain mechanism here. So this is a 4-bar mechanism. In this, the first link A is fixed and remaining 3 that are these are B, C and D. Now, so theta 2 is the angle of this second link, that is in positive x direction. This is theta 3, so this angle, and this one theta 4 for different links. So in this mechanism we have to find out angular velocity and angular acceleration of different links, that is, so this will be given in the question: angular velocity and angular acceleration of this link, and these two have to find out. So the first formula: angular velocity of link 3. So angular velocity of link 3, that is this one, C omega 3 equal to minus of B sine theta 2 minus theta 4 divided by C into sine of theta 3 minus theta 4 into omega 2. Here B mean this length of this crank. Next, sine of theta 2 minus theta 4. Theta 2, this is theta 4. C mean length of this third link, and omega 2 mean angular velocity of second link. So this is the formula to find out angular velocity of link 3, mean C. Next, angular velocity of link 4, mean this D. So angular velocity of link 4, that is omega 4 equal to B sine theta 2 minus theta 3 divided by D into sine of theta 3 minus theta 4 into omega 2. So here B means length of second link, D means length of fourth link, and theta 2, theta 3, theta 4. Omega 2 angular velocity of second link. Next, so third step, angular acceleration of link 3, when this. So already you have found out angular velocity of link 3 and link 4. Now angular acceleration of link 3 and angular acceleration of link 4. Now angular acceleration of link 3 is given by this alpha 3 angular acceleration equal to B alpha 2 into sine of theta 2 minus theta 4 plus B omega 2 square into cos of theta 2 minus theta 4 plus C into omega 3 square into cos of theta 3 minus theta 4 plus D into omega 4 square whole divided by C into sine of theta 3 minus theta 4. Otherwise, the simplified form of this is alpha 3 equal to omega 3 by omega 2 into alpha 2, omega 3 by omega 2 into alpha 2 minus B into omega 2 square cos of theta 2 minus theta 4 plus C into omega 3 square into theta 3 minus theta 4 plus D into omega 4 square whole divided by C into sine of theta 3 minus theta 4. So this is the formula to find out angular velocity of link 3. Next one, angular acceleration of link 4, that is alpha 4. Alpha 4 equal to omega 4 by omega 2 into alpha 2 here plus B omega 2 square into cos of theta 2 minus theta 3 plus C into omega 3 square plus D into omega 4 square into cos of theta 3 minus theta 4 whole divided by d into sine of theta 3 minus theta 4. So this is formula to find out angular acceleration of link 4. So that you have to find out angular velocity for link 3 and link 4, and also angular acceleration for link 3 and link 4 by using the value of this value of length of BCD, and also by using theta, theta 2, theta 3, theta 4, and angular velocity of link 2 and link 3.